In this video, I'm going to show you how to download FFmpeg on Windows 11. Start by opening up your browser, and in the search bar, type in download FFmpeg. Click on the first link, hover over the Windows icon, and click on Windows builds from Guyan.dev. Click on that, and click on FFmpeg get full.7z. Once the installer has downloaded, open up File Explorer, go to Downloads, right click on it, and click on Extract All. Select where you want it to be extracted and click on Extract. Then locate your extracted FFmpeg folder. Mine is in Downloads. Open it up, left click on it again, go to Bin. Now you need to copy this path where the FFmpeg folder is located. Just right click on it and click on Copy Address. Now hit the Windows key and in the search bar, type in path, hit enter. Once system properties have opened up, go to the Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables. Once the environment variables have opened up, click on Path, select Edit, click on New, and paste in what you copied earlier, the path to the FFmpeg folder. Paste that in, click on OK, OK again, and it close down File Explorer. Now to test if this works, if we actually installed FFmpeg, in the search bar, Windows search bar, type in CMD, type in FFmpeg, and hit enter. If you see all these words, numbers, syllables, that means you have successfully downloaded and installed FFmpeg. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.